Mr. Neil Court, the
Wait, बोलो यार ऐसे.
Dr. the Regional Energy Chief, to please present a bouquet, a floral bouquet to Dr. Vishwabharati Ganeshan.
Hold.
At the front, sir.
Just hold.
Exact replica.
And I think it's a personal passion of mine to encourage people to understand that wellness is a way of life, and wellness and well-being is the first step towards prevention. A lot of times we say prevention is better than cure, and before prevention is actually living life really well. And it's a project that I've been working on over the last 18 months, which you all will know about very soon. But I think bringing to light amongst all of us actually Eastern medicine and the impact and wisdom that Eastern medicine has, whether it's acupuncture, something that I've learned with Dr. Pandey, Ayurveda, Tibetan medicine, reflexology, Magna points. I think this is a treasure trove of information that as a culture we've been blessed with. And I think as modern Indians, it's about time that we are proud of it and we celebrate it and allow the rest of the world to enjoy it as well. Practitioner or a center or a facility, and we don't enable the consumer to experience these kind of services in a luxury setting, we're devaluing the service that we're giving, because what we're not understanding is that an Ayurvedic treatment is not 50 years of research, it's 5,000 years of wisdom that has been passed down through writing, oral traditions. It has been, the clinical trials have actually been 5,000 years old, and it's been tested on various control groups over these 5,000 years. So why don't we add that value to the treatment in terms of what we pay for it and how we present it and how we market that, by using that time as a function of value. Not that we come from a nation that people are skeptical about trying such treatments or using such treatments. And I think it's not about choosing one or the other. It's not about saying it's only conventional medicine or alternative medicine. I think one needs to put themselves at the center, and I think doctors are doing that now. They're putting the patient at the very center of healthcare and allowing them to choose their path towards finding well-being. So I can say, from maybe a business owner's point of view or a healthcare facilitator's point of view, you should claim that value and not devalue the service or the medicine or the program that you're providing.
All of you center look.
You're going to hear.
Hold. Yeah. Nice. Sir, just hold. Sir, light में.
All of you can join the group photograph. This is a.
Sir, all of you center look here. Yes.
So यहाँ पे.
Management. Today, please come. Teacher, I wanted a. So bouquets are there.
Yeah. Very nice.
Good evening, everyone. And what?
Oh my goodness!
This is what?
हमको सुइयां जब लगाते हो तब हाँ जब आपको सुइयां लगाते हो तब तो आप नहीं हो रहे तब हंसते हो
Yes, doctor.
wow
So this is what he has created. Lots of love for everyone, and in return, getting love from everyone. Heal in India initiative is something which he has adopted as a mission now. That why not making India a destination for holistic.
Ever since I was born, it is culture, it is
It's like a set of values that are taught to you from the time you're born. Lifestyle also should be inculcated. And it doesn't happen without you seeing your parents do that. You cannot tell your children to do something that you are not doing. You have to role model. You have to do it yourself for your children to pick it up and understand the importance of health and lifestyle. And like they say, charity begins at home. I think health is it's a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. So, why is he really our dad? Why is he doing this to us? And then you realize he also was very anti-antibiotics.
And then to Dr. Garbo.
ईशा जी इधर या इधर
Right.
Studied a little more. Anyway, Pandey ji, of course with his permission, I will accept the award and
Wow.
I do accept the award. And of course, thank you so much. But Pandey ji,
Actually, I'm there.
Pandey ji is with me when I go wherever he goes. So if you're there, then I'll be there.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Coco.
So please look
Yeah.
here. Yeah. Smile.
Yes.
Feel like for certain segments only, there has got to be something for everyone. So first, you're going to be living that long. You need to take care of yourself. So I would like to.
Perfect wellness. So it's all about naturopathy, acupuncture, all the
artist connects communities.
Thank
People taking clinics and keeping our neighbors taken.
All of you, center look, please. Yeah.
not just in the country but across the world. So Santosh ji, please हमें सबसे पहले तो हमें बताएं एक मंत्रा दें. एक मंत्रा, it could be a mudra, it could be breathing technique, it could be sitting tall, जिससे हम सब
अरे क्या
अपनी
कर
health
रहा है
को
यार?
better कर सकते हैं.
So सबसे बढ़िया अगर आप मुझसे पूछोगे तो health mantra clapping with breathing.
Clapping with breathing.
And in many ways I teach also. So what you have to do, you have to breathe in. I'll show you.
Okay, so this is the way to breathe. Clapping with breathing साथ में. How is it?
Chest expansion like this way.
Sure.
Breathe in.
Is it okay to do that? I know we're all wearing formals.
Yeah,
is it okay? But don't slap your knee.
अरे यार क्या कर रहा है भाई?
Okay, let's go.
So this is one of the best exercise to expand into your chest, and all the correspondence points are there in your palm. So this is very very effective. You can actually massage your internal organ with your breathing exercises and clapping.
Wow. So we go arms extended or okay. So it's just wonderful. So it's like doing a peg deck and clap. Wow.
Within 10 shots, like you will feel like you're breathing and perspiration starts. Like you will start sweating.
Beautiful.
It's that powerful.
That's because your lungs capacity increases and you breathe in and you breathe out, and also more of carbon dioxide coming out from the system. So let's get started with exactly what's been mentioned here. Acupuncture, which has been practiced for centuries, and it's a natural healing therapy. How does it contribute to the complete recovery of diseases? कहते हैं जाना है तो go to the core and remove that complete, उसको अंदर से निकालेंगे and your system will be all cleansed. And you're the best at it, so please do that.
So, as we all know, our body is made of Panch Mahabhuta. Panch Tattva we talk about 5 elements.
I think it's a great, good evening everyone. I think it's a great initiative that we are inviting all the professionals in the medical industry to come to our country and to heal people. It's going to be difficult knowing the population and the adversities, but I think it's a great initiative. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Doctor. And I think only Dr. Pandey can make it possible.
Yes.
He's just blessed.
Yeah, his energy waves truly reach the entire world.
Yes.
And the fact that you know, Docky is someone, or Dr. Santosh Pandey, as he's formally known, is someone who loves to do the best for people around the world, and to be able to bring in an initiative like this that truly has the reach. He travels into like the most far-fetched, forgotten, small remote towns of this country. Imagine now we are able to extend this platform and make it global. So congratulations on that.
Thank you.
Ma'am, one more question. Where do you see healthcare industry moving India?
I think we already known. I think a lot of our doctors travel abroad to treat people abroad, and I think our medical facilities are among the best in the world. No doubts about that. So I don't need to say much about that. But what's important here and what's different in Heal India is, I think it's the other way around. We have doctors coming from all over the world into our country to heal our people, to heal us, which is different.
And I also feel like it's such an interesting, combination where you bring knowledge of the West, medicine of the West, and then unite that with the learnings and the ancient, medicine that we have.
But I have one question. Is it only allopathy or it's alternative, naturopathy,
we can talk all,
everything?
We can talk. Yes.
So it's going to be great. Because a lot of doctors don't believe in alternative medicine.
Yeah, I am a big believer
but I'm a big fan.
Big fan. And it has helped me.
I mean, I walk my talk. I'm not just talking, without experiencing or without having gone through these remedies or alternative medicines. But I know Pandeyji for almost 20 years now. And I contribute my health and the way I look to a very, very large extent to Dr. Pandey. Just like now what Kubra said, दाल मखनी खानी थी और मैंने बोला दाल मखनी खाती है तो ऐसे कैसे दिखती है, बोलती है दाल मखनी खा के पांडे जी के पास जाती हूँ. मैंने कहा अच्छा ठीक है, मैं भी एक कोशिश कर लेती हूँ पांडे जी, उनको डाइटिशियन के पास जाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है ना. So I mean I think Pandey ji is just blessed. He's got the hand of God, and he's got a healing touch. He's infectious. He is very loving, and that people can feel that love. So I can just go on and on about Pandeyji. I mean, what can I say, Pandeyji? I love you. God bless you.
Thank you.
And may you rise and shine.
Yes. This whole dream that you have about uniting the entire world under the one branch of medicine itself, and to be able to, spread the joy and cheer and health around the world, it's a great initiative, and only someone like you could think of this.
अब आप भी कुछ बोलेंगे या करेंगे?
So see, it's all my pleasure because I'm listening both of you, and that gives me so much, joy from within, because I have got so many advocates who actually are advocating for me, so I don't need to talk too much. But yes, this therapy which we are doing, it's all natural, and it can heal. I would say, if I won't say 100%, but yes, more than 90% cases we are able to heal, like this way that you have seen already, and then that's why you are loving it so much. So it's a very good initiative which we are going to take support from all of you to make the reach of this therapy more. That's why my team is always, my Dr. Vijay sir is here, like he's secretary of my, Sanman Helping My Hands. He's always ready to give all the best. My team, Akshay, from so many years. So same way, I'm now going to introduce more people into this, holy field. I would say this is something very that you said, infectious. I would say this is very spiritual, because when you do
pious.
It from the pious, when you do from your inner heart, from your soul, then you had it.
Yeah.
And you get result, people are happy, they are making you happy all the time, good about you. You need not to take anything from this universe. That's the best feeling,
Pandeyji, I think people start healing the minute Pandeyji starts talking.
Yeah, I think it's true.
Before he touches you and he puts all those... By the way, why are you crying today? You make us cry all the time with your needles.
Yeah.
Tears today.
That's why I cried.
Anyway, he made all of us teary-eyed today as well. The first time I've seen him in 20 years crying.
Wow. So you feel so good. You feel so good because you you are doing such a wonderful thing that people are talking about you in such a way, because it's nothing. It's like tears of the happiness, nothing else.
You know, as an actor, when you see people appreciate your work, as an actor, but he actually gives life to people. People come there with their trauma, with their illness, and how much ever money you may have, if you're not healthy from within and you don't have health, what is all that money? What use can you put that money to? So, and if you can actually heal people and make them healthy, I don't think there's anything bigger than that, better than that, and there's no happiness. You know, that's why you cried.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
That feeling of healing others, and I'm so happy that because you cried after your AV, I remember. The fact that everybody is so happy and so healed, and God has made, He's the special one who can do this. पांडे जी, मैं आपसे पैसे लेने वाली हूँ आपके बारे में इतना बात करने के लिए.
Always, you are partner into all the crimes, so don't worry.
Cheating.
The last question, ma'am.
Yeah.
How do you think Rejuva and the center can be instrumental in that?
Rejuva is synonymous with Pandey ji. I mean, I always tell him, ना पांडे जी अभी ये हाथ जो है ये मतलब ये हाँ इसको आप इंश्योर कीजिए.
Yes.
मैं बता रही हूँ आपको.
जी.
हाँ इसको भी. So, I mean, Pandey ji is legendary. I'm hoping even Rejuva becomes a legacy, and for many years to come. I mean, people get healed under that roof, you know, of Rejuva, and that's my only, I mean, blessing to you, Pandey ji, कि आप जितने लोगों को heal कर सको उतने लोगों को आप heal करो, क्योंकि जिसमें आप उसी में आपको खुशी मिलती है.
So वही करने के लिए जन्म हुआ है. Actually मैं बोलता हूँ कि
That's his purpose.
ये जन्म ही अगर लोगों को फायदा करने में, हेल्थ को सही करने में मिला हुआ है, तो इससे ज़्यादा सुख और कहीं नहीं मिल सकता.
Yes.
अगर लोगों के दुख भरे चेहरे पे थोड़ी देर के लिए मुस्कान ला सकते हो,
अरे बहुत देर के लिए, वो थोड़ी देर के लिए,
तो भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है, और बहुत जिंदगी भर के लिए ला सके तो और क्या चाहिए.
Yes.
Thank you for being always.
अभी इतनी बातें की, अभी और क्या बात.
So Pandey sir is doing great job, you all know.
Yes.
As artists, you both are the inspiration for so many people. So इतने सारे traveling, इतने सारे काम के बाद भी आप लोग अपने आप को fit रखते हो. एक health care अगर आपके fans, अपने चाहने वालों को बताओ, आप लोगों
I would say discipline. The discipline with which I end up going to the gym every time.
And what you eat.
And what I eat is the same discipline with which I go to Dr. Pandey.
Yeah, me too.
That's
I do use the same discipline. So for me, reaching out to Dr. Pandey and visiting him on discipline is not because I feel unhealthy or because I'm sick. I'm doing it so that I never fall sick. And there are two ways to look at your health itself, because we end up going to a doctor when we are feeling ill, but then when you meet Dr. Pandey and he gives you like remedies and he gives you a way to live your life pain-free and to live your life ailment-free, then I don't think you end up going anywhere else. And that's the discipline that with which you treat yourself, the way you treat your mind, the way you treat your body. And thank you for allowing me to do that. It's a safe space.
She said everything, and I've said also a lot. उसमें से कुछ मिल जाएगा आपको. Copy paste करना.
आइए.
Thank you.
Thank you.
so
चलो
much.
दाल मखनी.